are once again going to test out strategies for Pocket Option Auto Trader. And today we are going to test out triple confirm on 5 seconds. As always, we are going to do $100 trades. We are going to use classic martingale with opposite buy sell, and we are going to go for a target of $500. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot for yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video for YouTube. Okay. Also, you'll find for desktop and for cell phone is a one-click install for both of them. Now let's start up and let's see how we do with this amazing strategy. I have big hopes. So now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect all the data he needs. As you see, he go this time up to 36. It's because this strategy is a little more complex. He's getting all the information about the pair and all the information about every indicator that this strategy is using. So now let's read. By the way, make sure you also like this video, and if you have any question, just post them below the video. I basically reply to every single comment I get. So now we are currently with 1 win and 1 loss. Every time he have had a loss when he have finalized the trade, he will have a cooldown. This is so we don't follow a bad trend, because the robot think like this. If we have lost, is a reason for it, because normally the strategy should have got us a win. So then he take a small break and start looking again. This is so we don't follow a bad trend and get loss after loss after loss. Because sometimes the market can move super fast in one direction, and then it's smart to take a small break. I have set it 30, but to be honest with you, you should put it a little higher. I put 30 because I can't have these videos to go too long time, because 30 seconds in a video can be so many people jump out and it's not good for me. So, but for you that are trading at home, put it maybe at a couple of minutes break if you have time for that, of course, if you're following, because then you have a higher chance that you don't follow a bad trend if that is happening. Okay, so that's a good tip for you. Also, you see I have put a loss limit of 500. This is also a protection. You don't need to do it, I don't need to do it, but it's up to you to put the protections you feel for. So if you don't want to lose more in a trade that go against you, for example with martingale, that's a nice way to do it. Then you ask yourself, why I can't do that, for example, in the steps instead. You have the steps, how many steps you want to do. This is because when you are starting to make money, you also have more money available that was in plus for you in the trade. And maybe you don't want to go in specific minus, but when you have got in some profit, you have more to go on. So that's why it makes sense to have a loss limit. So, but this is up to you how you want to do that. I did just forgot to remove it, to be honest with you, because I don't need it. But for you, this is a good thing to have. Maybe. Everything is up to you. I just provide you the tool and you use it the way you feel is best for your account, because everyone trade different, everyone have different type of targets, and everyone have different type of money they have available for the bot to use. I will suggest you to test a little on demos to figure out what works best with your balance and what's your strategy and how much you want to go for as a profit target each day, each week. You also have the possibility to run after auto compounding. He will then go after the balance you have. So that's a cool thing. So now we are at 67. 67. The thing is, I believe that this strategy should be about 70%. That is what I have seen in the past. I was expecting around 75 and we are there now. So let's see if we continue this way. We got a little bad start, but I think this will end up good. So now we got a sell trade and it looks like a huge winner. We are getting closer to our target. Let's see. I believe maybe we get it in the next trade. And if that's the case, this will be a very high win rate as I expected. But that was a loss. So then we come down to around 67 and we get one more sell here now. And that should do it, I think. No, we need one more. So if we win the next now, we should be exactly at the win rate I was expecting for this strategy. So this is all in the same playlist, so if you want to see the other strategies I have tested before here, you can do so. Some strategies I jumped over because some strategies they have too many things that need to go correct, and the videos might be up to 30 to 1 hour, and no one wants to see so long videos. And if I speed it up, I feel I lose a little of my talking where I'm explaining what is happening. So test them out yourself. I am testing the strategies that is actually possible to be testing normally. So there we got, and we came exactly on 75% like I told you. So we got 6 wins, 2 losses, $572 in profit. That is good in my book. So once again, if you want this binder option robot, it's completely for free. I hope you enjoy. I see you on the next. Have an amazing day.